baby impression kit for Logan's first Christmas. We're gonna make him an ornament. Comes with 5 pieces. Comes with the instruction booklet, the block of clay, a rolling pin, the ribbon to hang it, like a plastic disc to form the ornament into a circle, and then a engraver to put a name or any type of decorations you want on there. So, woo! He's excited.
I'm excited.
He's excited, Loki.
Look, I don't care. Look at his outfit.
He said, "Woo! Look it!
The Etsy mommy cute outfit.
Look at my feet! Woo!
Wonder.
I'm excited! Yee! Wee! 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 He said, "Oh, can I put that in my mouth? Can I bite that?" I said, "I'm teething, so I just like to bite everything."
Okay, step 1 says knead for 2 minutes. What time is it? Can't see it.
4:54.
Okay. Kneading for 2 minutes.
And to save time, you can preheat your oven. It wants the oven preheated to 250?
275.
275. Bake 275.
I wanted to do one of these because I seen a different YouTube video, and I was like, oh, I want to have one of these for Logan from when he was little. And I think I'm going to hang it on the wall. I don't think, I mean, it can go on the tree this year, but I think it'll be on the wall all year. Because he's never going to have those little baby hands again. I want to see them. And I also want to have this video so we can see him at this moment in time in his fresh 6 months. Huh? Yeah. Boy's so cute. Boy's so cute, baby. So, we got him over there. He's watching. You gotta put your handprint in here. It's gonna be so fun for you.
Look at him, he's like, "Can I eat that?
No.
Did you want that?"
No, you can't eat it. No. Do you wanna play with your piano? That might be a bad idea. Piano speaks languages and is very annoying, so should not turn that on. Sorry for all the Christmas content. I know a lot of you are here for mug dipping videos or creative videos, things of that nature, but it's Logan's first Christmas and I want to get everything on video that I possibly can. And I know that if I put the videos on YouTube, I'll rewatch them all the time, so. Videos are for your entertainment, but also for my memories. Huh. So we know that you did this when you showed it.
Jessica's gonna sit next to you.
See what time it is. What did you say? You said 54, right? Okay, 56. 2 minutes is up. Now what? Knead for 2 minutes.
Smash it in there. Here, I should do that right.
Form smooth ball into the middle of the ring and flatten with hand until it fits in the ring. Smooth ball. How do you make a smooth ball like that? Ooh.
Your hands?
Daddy's clay master, huh?
No.
Yes. Weezy, so cute. Yeah, I'm the cute boy.
Okay, that's it. That's
I'm
pretty
the
close.
cutest boy.
Okay, ready?
Doo-doo.
Squish it.
Yeah.
Okay, rolling pin action.
Okay. Flatten with hand until it fills the ring. Use roller to roll clay inside the ring until it's smooth and even. There's the oven's done. You got a hair. No hairs.
My hair. It's probably cat hair.
No cat hairs. And it says to step 1, I was about to put it just on the kitchen table. And step 1 is do not put on furniture. So that's why we have this wax paper here.
This looks like there's some excess. Unless it's not filling the cracks all the way on the back.
Woo.
Oh, good save. No, it is.
Yeah.
So it looks like there's a little excess.
Excess
in the
clay.
kit. Which is fine. Let's get this excess off.
Is that yummy? Is it yummy? Yeah. What do you do after you roll it? Roll it. Gently push up on the sides of the clay from the bottom of the ring until the clay is released.
Maybe make that the back.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Cause this, oops.
Perfect, yeah, that's all nice.
Okay.
It's one of a kind.
Beautiful. Okay, Logie Bear.
Oh, there's the hair in there. Okay. Okay, let me see. Let me see this for a second.
Darn cats.
This hand dry? Okay, perfect. Which hand you want to use?
I don't know. Which one do you want to use?
This right hand is,
Wash your hands or pet paws. Oh yeah, you can use this for your pets too. I forgot.
here, let me dry off his. Hold on. You gotta dry off your hand.
Make the print. Make the print. Print. Oh, where's the roller? Over here. Rolling.
Okay, there's that. Let me grab a baby wipe.
Are you ready? Are you ready for your hand in here?
Well, I'm gonna get baby wipes at least.
Yeah, be prepared. The video I had watched, which I went to Michael's intending to get one of those ornaments. It was a regular ornament, like actual Christmas ornament ball. And you had your child like dip their hand in paint and then put it on the ball. But I asked them at Michael's, they said they didn't have that, so that's why we ended up with this. So I don't think this is like a seasonal item. I think they have it all the time. So if you're looking for it, Cameron already showed the box, but said it was at Michael's.
Do it right hand? Or are you gonna leave it on the paper?
Oh yeah, maybe. Mark.
Hey, come on. No, rip the paper.
Alrighty.
Got a job for you.
How about you hold the other hand?
Here.
Okay, ready?
He's so excited.
You gotta hold your...
Pretend it's a piano. Smash it.
Ready? Ready? You gotta use your hand. Not cooperating. No.
Don't forget to leave space for his name.
I know. This is very difficult.
Here, maybe it's easier.
Okay, wait. Stop reading. What is my baby? Give me your hand.
I'll bring it up to the camera so you can see, but he'll have to really get into it. I mean, at this point, he's already almost 7 months old, so, well, he's like 6.5 months. So
Yeah, 6.5.
his hand's already kind of big filling.
Yeah, his hand almost filled the whole thing.
So it didn't leave a lot of
Well, he's not a small baby
space and
either.
stuff, but there you can see. I don't know how well you can see that. Oh yeah. So the indentation was pretty good. Did you feel like you had to push very hard to get his hand to go in, or
No, I just like
kind of gentle?
like one pushed each hand a little.
That was the only thing I was worried about before, was like, how hard is this clay gonna be? Is it gonna like, you know?
I hope that like survives the baking. Okay, leave room at the bottom for his
Okay,
name.
here you go.
Oh, and it says if you're unhappy with the impression, do it again.
Yeah, you
Or
can
follow
just
steps
roll
2
it
through
back
5. His
You can just
name's
put it on the
really
side. Just put it on the side or something. If I put it right under the bottom.
big. What? You want me to put it like this?
Yeah, like where there's a gap. And then maybe just put like 2019 over there or something. Here is the final product. After baking the oven, it came out pretty hard and solid. So we put it up on the tree. I guess the only downside I would say is it's a little hard to see the imprint from far away because of the solid color. But you could get like a paint or anything and just kind of hand paint it yourself if you wanted to add some details or shadows to make it pop. But anyway, it's a fun, quick and easy keepsake to make. So thanks again for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below and hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.